College of Sequoias offers standard instructional carts in the classrooms to enhance the learning experience. These carts are equipped with tools that can be easily used for in-person instruction. When you arrive, you'll notice that the standard instructional cart is equipped with a workstation computer, a small touch panel, a tabletop cubby with access to power and an HDMI connection for a laptop, a document camera, and a Blu-Ray player which also plays DVDs. When entering a classroom equipped with this setup, log into the workstation computer. Press the Start button on the small touch panel. This will power on the room's display devices. From the home screen, you are able to touch any of the icons relating to the tools you would like to use. The small touch panel on the top of the cart allows for powering on and off the system, as well as switching between the computer, instructor-provided laptop, document camera, and Blu-ray player. To use the Blu-ray player, select the Blu-ray icon on the small touch panel. Selecting video settings allows control of the Blu-ray player's menu and control options. To adjust the volume, tap on audio settings to show audio sliders that correspond to the icons above. The tick boxes on the left-hand side correspond to display power and display mute. Display power is best left on. Toggling display mute will black out the screen so you can access files and presentations without students seeing. Special note: when toggling display mute, red text will flash at the top of the small touch panel, indicating that the screen is blank. The question mark icon on the top right-hand corner leads to the web help desk number that you can call for assistance with troubleshooting any issues that may arise with the instructional cart. Finally, to power down the system at the end of class, press the power icon button on the bottom left-hand corner and tap yes to confirm.